Hi everyone. Today we'll be studying arrays. An array is a data structure that can store multiple data of the same data type. It can be declared as a variable and store values of the same data type. We can make an array with most data types as well. Okay, so let's do an example. Okay, so when we want to declare an array, we do it in the same way that we declare a variable. So we say int um, books, for example, and then we tell C++ how many integers we want the array to store. So let's just go for my lucky number 7, and then we initialize the elements of the array. So, oh sorry, I just forgot. We use square brackets to define how many numbers or how many integers are in the array. So going back here, now we can declare what the elements are actually in the array. So we can just make up 7 numbers. We can just say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, great. So now we've made those numbers, and when you're putting the values or elements rather into the array, you need to separate them by a comma. So with an array we can do different things with the elements, but today as a starter we will print out a value being stored in the array. So let's just say we want to print out 576. We go on and say cout our character output, and we as like a variable we call the name, and then we use our square brackets again, and then we use the index. The index is where the value is inside the array. So the first one would be index 0, and index 1, index 2, index 3, and so on and so forth. So as we're looking for 576, we put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put number 4 in there, and that will be our array index. And then we end the line. Okay, so what this does is it is storing 7 integers, and they are 1, 2, 3, 576, 34, and 22. And then we go ahead here and we want to output what is in index 4. So this will go straight to the 4th value or the 4th element of the array. And it can be quite confusing because you'll just naturally think that the number in here should be the number in there, but then it just wouldn't make sense. But just to remember that when you want to call an element, you always have to put the array index. So let's go ahead and test this. Yeah, no errors, great, and we'll run it. Great, and as we predicted, 576. So just remember that computers start counting from 0 And I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.